Rusty. Old tires, new tires. I don't care about that. I want to know how good your bumpers are. Here we go.
So the green flag goes back in the air. 3 laps to go in Daytona. Chase Elliott trying to get right.
Another wrecking back there in front of you also, but that is towards the tail end of the pack, and they all get away. Chase Elliott doing what he was doing prior to the caution flag, but this time Hamlin saying, I'm not just 3 car lengths back. 10 back to Jimmy Johnson.
They'll come back to turns 13 and 14. That's the final chicane before the white flag will go in the air. Here's Chase Elliott. Denny Hamlin charges into the chicane. Can't chop off too many more car lengths, or does he? Hamlin's going to try to make another run. 3.61 miles to go in Daytona. Chase Elliott.
13 and 14. Hamlin is there. All over the back end of Chase Elliott. It's going to be a drag race. Chase Elliott back half the car late. Freddie Hamlin right third lane. Yes! Chase Elliott is scoring the
Here comes Chase fans right to you. Salute the winning driver as Chase rolls down to salute you fans here at Daytona. There he is, fans. Chase Elliott wins victory burnout. It's been designed to celebrate the inaugural run. And Chase has climbed out of the car. The helmet is still on, but he is saluting you fans in victory. Give him a hand. Chase Elliott, your winner today. On the goal and 245. Extra finish. Flat on top of that Chevrolet. Now going to grab the checkered flag. We'll get his interview here over our public address from television and radio. Why not? We're here to celebrate NASCAR's return to the high banks.
Daytona. How was your race today from your viewpoint?
Yeah, wow, what a night for Camaro. Our guys did a phenomenal job. I mean, just had a phenomenal car. I don't think I did anything very special today. I think Alan and Tom and all our guys did a really good job hitting it there at the start. Made a couple really small adjustments. I felt like there that first off and was able to kind of leave it after that. So just appreciate everybody that makes this happen. Thanks to the fans. Good to see you guys back. Appreciate all coming out. And thanks to our partner Chevrolet. Spent a lot of time with them this past week. Big special thanks to Jordan Taylor and Boris said for reaching out and being willing to help. This weekend, some road course ringers, so trying to lean on them, and luckily everything worked out.
After video to you that this is a big one. It's been 14 races since you've been in victory lane. How much does this mean to the team heading to the playoffs?
Well, it means a lot. You know, we've been struggling these past few weeks, and you know, really struggled at Michigan. I felt like so. You know, didn't know for sure if we were going to be good here, but felt like if we were, we really needed to capitalize. I mean, running 8th or 7th or wherever we did at Michigan, an extra 5 bonus points could be the difference in you making it to the next round once this deal starts. So we'll keep the pedal down and try to keep pushing. But thanks to all our partners, Hooters, Mountain Dew, Kelly Blue Book, just everybody that makes this happen. UniFirst, been a great partner, and looking forward to getting on down the road.
Keep the pedal down, ring the siren in Dawsonville. Chase Elliott wins at the Daytona Road Course.
The 9 of Chase Elliott, 3 road course wins in a row. He's going to win at Daytona. Chase Elliott has won at Daytona. Fans, thanks again for being part of it. Thank you, campers, for being here on weekend. And fans of the grandstands, we ask for your cooperation. Please remain in your seats until you're instructed to exit. To promote social distancing, we'll be releasing sections to exit in a sequential manner.